ഹായ് എല്ലാവർക്കും SG മൊമെന്റ്സിലെ പുതിയ വൈൻ ടേസ്റ്റിംഗ് ടൂറിലോട്ട് സ്വാഗതം. അപ്പോൾ ജോർജിയയിലെ വൺ ഓഫ് ദ മെയിൻ അട്രാക്ഷൻ ആണ് വൈൻ ടേസ്റ്റിംഗ്. അപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങൾ ഇന്ന് പോകുന്നത് വൈനറി ഖരീബയിലോട്ടാണ്. വൈനറി ഖരീബ തിബ്ലിസിയിൽ നിന്ന് ഒരു 1.5 hour ഡ്രൈവ് ഉണ്ട്. സോ ഇവിടെ എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ആദ്യം പഴയ സ്റ്റൈലിൽ വൈൻ മേക്കിംഗ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്ത് പിന്നെ അവർ കമേഴ്ഷ്യൽ സ്കെയിലിൽ തുടങ്ങിയിട്ട് ഇപ്പം വലിയ ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയൽ സ്കെയിലിലോട്ടാണ് അവര് വൈൻ മേക്കിംഗ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ആൻഡ് ഇമ്പോർട്ടിംഗ് ഓൾസോ ഉണ്ട്. ഇവിടെ പാർക്കിംഗ് സ്പേസ് ഒത്തിരി അവൈലബിൾ ആണ്. സോ അതിനൊരു ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടില്ല. പിന്നെ നമ്മൾ മെയിൻ റിസപ്ഷനിലോട്ട് പോകാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടുന്ന് ബഗ്ഗി റൈഡ് എടുക്കേണ്ടി വരും, കാരണം ഒത്തിരി ദൂരമുണ്ട്. സോ നമ്മളിപ്പോ മെയിൻ റിസപ്ഷൻ ഏരിയയിലോട്ട് പോവാണ്. അവിടുന്ന് നമുക്ക് പാക്കേജസും കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ ചൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും.
Those packages are with wine tasting. Also, those packages included excursion in wine cave. And the other packages consist cooking activities. What you're making, after that you can try to taste as well. Like you make a lunch yourself. Georgian cuisine. So, 4 types of wine tasting. Post chacha. Those 4 types of wine tasting. And welcome, Winery Khareba's wine cellar. Today I'll be your tour guide. My name is Nini. Nice to meet you. Caucasus Mountain. Here is a 15 tunnels. 2 is a main tunnel and 13 are perpendicular connection tunnel. 6 million liter wine in aluminium tanks. It's not a bottle wine. So those whole complex consists is 15 tunnels and 58 meters up. We have a premium quality restaurant. Here is the elevator. Okay. Those kind of elevator connecting to the upstairs restaurant. Yeah. So it's a real face of our tunnel. We know that it's connecting marble, granite and clay. And that was main reason why it's connecting marble and granite. It was built in Soviet Union time and they used dynamites and bombs explore method to build this tunnel. Name is Chatalipartian wine line. Especially for those wine our company bring in our country French oaks. All of them is a premium qualities exclusive wines.
How many years old wines?
All of them are different years old. The oldest one is a 70. So guys, here's our ethnographical museum. Yeah, we have a typical. There's 2 techniques how we clean quarries. First, when quarry is a small size, those size of quarry consists 200 liters of wine. Upstairs of the quarry is a 1 person, and we have a special brush which name is a sartsky. Here is a skin of cherry trees branches pressed together. It's antiseptic and we still use it. And with cold water we wash quarry like this. But when quarry is a big size, like 2000 liters consist or more, inside from 1 person like this and clean quarry inside, scrub the walls. After that, sometimes quarry's cleaning process actually continue more than 1 week, so it's very hard job. When they want to take out dirty water, we use orchela. In English language it means 2-hander because we use 2 hands to take out dirty water. Works like this. After that, as I told you, sometimes continue more than 1 week cleaning process. We wait a couple of days to make quarry full dry inside. After that, when quarry is clean and dry, we already can start to produce inside wine. The main point about Georgian wine making is that we use whole grapes when we produce our wines. It's a skin, seeds, body, stems, grapes branches, and the juice itself. We take all of them inside and waiting to start alcohol fermentation process. Fermentation process starts itself. We don't use inside yeast or sulfites and continue first fermentation 1 week. That's the reason why we call Chorus wine bio-organic wines. So when start fermentation process, each day, 1 day or 3 times we mix pressed grapes and juice. When fermentation finished, we close quarry hermetically with yellow stones, like those quarries are full of the wine and they are hermetically closed. And 6 months longer we stay together, press grapes and juice. When every process in underground finished, I mean second fermentation, This kind of pressed grapes is slowly going down to the top, and we know that everything inside finished, and separate them. Take out this kind of leftovers, serve the distillation and produce jajam. And inside we have only one type of grapes wine, always dry, full body, lots of tannins are inside. And the white wine has the amber, golden, orange color because grape skin contacts give this color of our wines. And Georgian local Corus wine is only dry. So what's happened when we want to take out wine? We have another organic thing. It's a wild pumpkin, grows in the west part of Georgia. One side it has a hole. We take inside, and when it's full of, we take out and remove our wine in a glasses or jugs or horn sometimes. It's a very light.
It's very light.
And those are the same ones, same pumpkins. It's just size are differences. Version made by Cooper. Here is a fireplace. Inside is a pressed grapes which we take out in a quarry, start boiling, and on this tube comes steam. Here is a cold water which helps us to condensate our steam with drops, and drops by drops we're collecting jajam. Winery Khareba Jaja's alcohol percent is 45 degrees. But when jaja is a homemade, it's a more high level of alcohol percent than 45. It's a 60, 65, 70. Depends of the winemaker's taste. And the last exponent, it's a satnacheli. This kind of satnacheli is more than 100 years older and made by Georgian oak. Inside is a 3 or 4 person, and crushed grapes they are fixed.
Like that.
One side it has a hole and juice is going in quarry. When they finish this crushing grapes process, take out these pressed grapes and save in a quarry to start to produce Georgian Corus wine. Nowadays it's just a tradition. They don't use it. Some small villages in the west part of Georgia, they still use it, but not as common than it was in the past. So in our families we have a special modern techniques, as usual by hand you can crush your grapes, and the factories like us has a big special pressing machine.
Machines, yeah, right.
Grape's name is Otshanuri sapere. It's indigenous grapes which grows in the west part of Georgia. So wine is a high quality, it's limited production of our company. One of expensive wine which Corus style wine we have. Harvest time is 2018 and 12.5 is an alcohol percent. Wine is very popular as well. Last year wins the double gold medal in China Wine and Spirit International Wine Competition and also in Mundus Sweden. So it's a young wine, 2021. Yeah, it's a harvest time and 12.5 as I mentioned. Yeah, alcohol percent, I'm right. So wine is really nice and high quality. Natural.
വൈൻ ടേസ്റ്റിംഗ് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ചാച്ച ടേസ്റ്റിംഗ് ആണ്. ചാച്ച എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു വൈൻ കൊടുക്കാന്ന് പറയും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഗ്രേപ്പ് കൊടുക്കാന്ന് പറയും. ഇത് ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത് എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ വൈൻ ഉണ്ടാക്കി കഴിഞ്ഞ ശേഷം റെസിഡ്യൂ കിട്ടുന്നത് അത് ഡിസ്റ്റിൽ ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നതാണ് ചാച്ച. ഇച്ചിരി സ്ട്രോങ് ആണ്, ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് 60-75% ആൽക്കഹോൾ ഉണ്ട്. സോ എല്ലാം നോക്കിയിട്ട് വേണം ട്രൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. സോ സീ യു ഇൻ ദ നെക്സ്റ്റ് വീഡിയോ ദെൻ. Bye bye.